Go.
The intermediate value theorem, also known as the IVT. The intermediate value theorem states that if a function f on an interval a to b takes f of a and f of b as its start and end points, there is some value of c such that f of c lies between f of a and f of b. Now, this was first worked on by a man named Simon Stevin, who used it in creating an algorithm for constructing a decimal expansion. Now, at first it wasn't used to determine that there was a value between two functions per se to prove continuity. But later, with the help of Bernard Bolzano and Augustin Louis Cauchy, they created the intermediate value theorem with those things that are required for it to happen. So it's also extremely important to make sure it's continuous on an interval. And now, one of the most common uses of the intermediate value theorem is to prove that there is a root in a function. For instance, if f of a is a negative number and then f of b is a positive number, there must be some value of c for which f of c equals 0. For instance, if Jimmy is 150 centimeters tall in May, and then he measures himself again in June, he's 160 centimeters tall. At some point, he must be 156 centimeters tall. To prove this, we can say that f of a equals 150, and f of b equals 160. And there must be some value c that f of c equals 156.